Imagine this. Two fathers, two completely different mindsets. One lived his life chasing paychecks, buried at bills and struggling to make ends meet. The other built an empire, made money work for him, and enjoyed a life of freedom and abundance. What if I told you that the difference between them wasn't luck, education, or even hard work, but the way they thought about money? Welcome to The Next Level Mindset. Today we're diving into one of the most transformative books of our time, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This isn't just a book about money, it's a blueprint for rewriting your financial future. Whether you're stuck in the rat race, dreaming of financial freedom, or just curious about how the wealthy think, this audiobook will change the way you see money forever. So grab a notebook, sit back, and let's unlock the secrets to building wealth, one mindset shift at a time. Ready to level up? Let's begin. Number 1. The rich don't work for money. The poor and middle class work for money, but the rich make money work for them. Instead of relying on a paycheck, focus on acquiring assets that generate passive income, such as real estate, stocks, or businesses. Number 2, assets versus liabilities. The core of financial literacy is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket, while liabilities take money out. Most people struggle financially because they accumulate liabilities, like expensive cars or luxury items, thinking they are assets. Number 3, mind your own business. Many people spend their lives building someone else's business, their employer, instead of their own. Focus on building and investing in your own assets to achieve financial independence. Number 4, the power of financial education. Traditional schooling often fails to teach financial literacy. To succeed, you must educate yourself about money, investing, and how the economy works. Knowledge is your greatest asset. Number 5, take risks and embrace failure. Fear of failure often holds people back from achieving financial success. The rich take calculated risks and learn from their mistakes. Failure is a stepping stone to success. Number 6, work to learn, not to earn. Instead of chasing a high salary, focus on gaining skills and knowledge. The more you learn, the more opportunities you'll have to create wealth. Number 7, the importance of mindset. A wealthy mindset is about thinking long-term, being proactive, and seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. Your mindset determines your financial destiny. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about the mindset you cultivate, the choices you make, and the actions you take. If this audiobook inspired you to think differently about money, imagine what else you could achieve by leveling up your mindset. This is your sign to take control of your financial future. Start today. Learn, invest, and build the life you deserve. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Next Level Mindset. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more content. Signing off, designed to help you grow, thrive, and unlock your full potential. Until next time, keep leveling up. This is The Next Level Mindset. See you at the top.